Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Pramutya Galugayatri with NPM 234111164 from class management 23C. Now I want to discuss about cost and revenue functions. Cost function. Economically defined costs or fees are the costs that producer must pay to produce goods and services until the goods are ready for consumption. Cost is a function of the amount of product. With output notation C V key C total cost key production's quantity. The cost function is the relationships between cost and the amount of production product. The cost functions can be described in a curve, and the cost curve depicts points of possible cost magnitudes at various levels of production. Various costs. A. Total costs. Total costs are all production costs used to produce a certain amount of output, both fixed and variable, TC, TVC plus TVC. B. Variable costs. Variable costs are costs whose amount changes in proportion to change in the volume of activity, but the cost per unit is fixed. This means that if the volume of activities is increased 2 times, then the total cost will also be 2 times the original amount. Variable costs are the total costs incurred by the company to obtain variable production factors. For example, labor costs, purchasing raw material, auxiliary material. C. Fixed costs. Fixed costs are costs whose amount up to a certain level of activity is relatively fixed and is not affected by change in the volume of activity. Fixed costs are the total costs incurred by the company to obtain fixed production factors. Example, purchase of machinery, building, and average total cost. Average total cost is the cost production calculated for each unit of output. A. Average variable costs. Average variable costs are variable costs charged to each unit of output, AVC, TVC per key. Average fixed costs. Average fixed costs are fixed costs changed to 1 unit of output. Average fixed costs AVC, TVC per key. G. Marginal costs. Marginal cost per unit of output, RMC, is the change in total cost associated with a change in 1 unit of input. Reception functions. Revenue from sales is a function of the number of goods sold. Total revenue is the product of the number of goods sold by the selling price per unit. The nonlinear form of the total revenue functions is generally in the form of an open downward parabolic equation. This is a form of revenue functions that is commonly fixed by a producer operating in a monopoly market. Meanwhile, the linear Total revenue function is revenue function faced by a producer operating in a perfectly competitive market. Total revenue is a function of the number of goods. Also, that product of the number of goods by the price of goods per unit. As in the concept of cost, in the concept of revenue, the meaning of average and marginal is also known. Average revenue is the revenue obtained per unit of goods, which is the result of total revenue divided by the number of goods. Marginal revenue (MR) is the additional revenue obtained from each additional unit of goods produced or sold. Mathematically, total revenue is formulated as follows. TR is PQ, TR is total revenue, P is price of goods, Q is number of goods sold. Number 1, average revenue is the average revenue per unit of production. It can be formulated RR is TR per Q. Marginal revenue is additional revenue as a result of additional production formulated. MR is marginal revenue, TR is additional revenue, Q is additional production. Based on the concept of revenue and cost, several possibilities can be identified, including and sample question. Number 1 is a sandal factory with the Idaman brand has visit cost 1,000. The cost to make a sandals 500,000 rupiah if the sandals are sold for 1,000. Then kita jawab. Thanks your time. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.